They did their shit first, and we were like, no, fuck you, we're gonna do it our way. America! Fucking sins! You know? Yeah, you know, okay, well, we fucked up, but I don't care. America! You know?
Keep on saying it.
Yeah. Is your microphone on?
Yeah.
Alright.
Hey, we got some narrating.
Yeah, right?
Whatever. Okay, cool. That
I'll
makes
go work
sense.
with the numbers. I'll come back.
Alright, man.
So here we are at the city. It's 63 feet from this front clean out to the sewer. You want to go? And you can see a little bit of damage there at the T. There's a Y. So that should be dealt with at some point. We had to clean all the roots out. There were several big patches of roots there on the pipe. So you can see the remnants of some of them. And we're coming up to the damage here pretty soon. So this is probably the worst of it here at 40 feet. You can see it even spans to the other side of the joint a little bit. There on the left side. And through there you can see at the top. So that it's probably the worst damage right through there. That's at 39 feet. And this pipe right behind it is starting to go too. You can see the damage up on the right hand side. This one's a turn, there's a turn there. And there's another turn right there, either that or slightly offset. And more damage through here. It spans the joint, so it's on either side of that joint, which isn't good. And it goes all the way through this pipe. You can see it there. And I believe that's it for the damage in the clay. And there isn't any in the cast, so there's a water thing. That's for, oh, here's more damage. I see it. And that spans the joint too. You can see it up there on the top left-hand side. And it goes all the way through the pipe. So that's where the rain leader is. For gutters. We'll just line right over that because those are actually illegal in Minneapolis. And there's some of the scale I washed, scraped out from the cast. And tie-in is right there.
Alright, so you'd be looking at 5,689.44.
So that's right there. That's our access. It's inline clean out.
So it's up to you when you guys want to jump on it. You guys got to stop.
So,
I got to talk to her. Okay.
So,
let me know.
all right, thank you.